G'day, pleased to meet you. I'm Shhheila, and today it would be my pleasure to share with you my 5 tips on how to cheer yourself up. Don't forget to stick around till the end to hear a bonus tip. Tip 1. Get into the flow state, and that is when you are so engrossed in an activity that you forget what time it is. For me, that is drawing or crafting, or maybe even playing an instrument. Tip number 2 is to hug your doggo or kitty or bunny or any pet you may have. Studies show that patting your pets can release oxytocin for both of you and also reduce your stress levels. Even looking at fish can do this. My 3rd tip is to get outside in nature. That might be a walk around the street, or a nature reserve, or strolling by the river or the ocean. Any bit of nature that you like. I find that spotting wildlife and plants I do not know as a way to relax me. Not to mention the fresh air. My 4th tip would be to make yourself laugh. You could watch a comedy or a comedian, or even hear some jokes, which I would be more than delighted to share a few cheesy ones with you right now. An Eskimo brings his friend to his home for a visit. Once they arrive, his friend asks, puzzled, "So, where's your igloo?" The friend goes, "Oh no, I must have left the iron on." We know that 6 is afraid of 7, because 7 ate 9, but why didn't 4 eat 5? It was too squared. You if Americans switched from pounds to kilograms overnight, there would be mass confusion. I have a hard time trusting people that use pencils to draw. They're sketchy. Why doesn't the fastest land animal get to participate in any sports? Because it's a cheetah. Someone's coming. Act like a cat.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Lie down. Is he getting us treats? Today I thought it was time to do a face reveal. So here goes nothing. Literally. Please forgive me. And if all else fails, there's always chocolate. Or any other culinary treat that you so desire. It's nice to occasionally cheer ourselves up with a sweet treat or savory snack. Bonus points if it is a nostalgic one. And lastly, my bonus tip is to watch a movie or ASMR or some form of distraction, just to give your mind some solace. The weirder and wilder, the better. An alternate dimension. This dimension is technical. You're okay. Everything is so wonderful. Excellent. Let me fetch this book. Just take a seat. Working with dragons, a course in dragonology. Scalp massages. Just relax and enjoy. Okay. Just say when. Perfect. Okay. And each time that I touch it, your memories. Is this a suitable experience for you? Into perfect. I'm so happy you like it with every touch. We will email it to you. And sweet dreams. Bye. Now I hope my 5 tips helped you to feel more relaxed, and perhaps even this tiny snippet may have helped you feel more relaxed. It was lovely to meet you.